is Brianna.
And my name is Katelyn.
And we're gonna make slime today. What things you need is something to mix with, something to mix in, but we don't have nothing, so we're gonna use this shovel and glue. You could use any glue.
That's not our house next door, right?
No, this is our house.
We're rich. Very rich.
And
we're rare. And that's our family house. That's us.
They need a big one because they all live together.
And our house is
very
like
big.
this.
It's very big.
Yeah. But it looks ugly in the washing machine. But we're gonna fix it, right?
Yeah. So let's just get started with the slime.
It's very big, so that's why our mom does not want to show off. Even her mom.
Our mom.
Yeah, our mom. Oh,
So let's get started. We're sisters, right?
yeah, we're sisters. We're not even gonna post it.
So put how any glue you want. Would it like that?
Only one. How many glue do you have in school?
A lot.
How many?
A lot.
How many? Just
A lot. I brought 2 big glues for school. Oh my god. So my sister is gonna put the gain. I'm gonna just a little bit. Not all of it. Just one drop, right? But here, like it had some.
Yeah.
Oh, it's water. I'll get it. I'll put it.
I just did one. Yeah. Wait, just put inside here. This. Like this.
So she put some now, but we're not gonna put all of it. She put a lot, so I'm gonna tell her when to stop. Stop.
This is for the other slime. Right?
So if we need some more, we're gonna use that. But if we don't, we're not gonna use it, right, sis?
And we're gonna make it for the other slime.
Or we could save it for the next slime. Because my cousin wants slime, and we need to make him one, right?
And her name is Alexa.
Yeah, she doesn't know how to make slime. We're so rich. Thank you to give us 5,000 subscribers.
So subscribe and say I love your photos and I'm your biggest fan.
Or
biggest fan.
you
Or
could
you
tell
say,
your friends.
I'm not your biggest fan, biggest.
Tell your friends, please, that to see our videos. So
And the other slime challenge, we're gonna eat them.
eat it.
I mean that we're gonna
make a slime bucket
We're
challenge.
gonna make 5 slimes and juggle it.
No, we're gonna make a YouTube channel of slime bucket challenge. We're gonna make 5 buckets of slime. Actually, when I'm done talking, we're gonna make 5 buckets of slime, big buckets, and we're gonna make the slime challenge. We need some more. Yes. So
No, I mix it. I want to mix it.
My sister's gonna mix it because I got tired already. So yeah, guys, we're gonna make the slime bucket challenge. We're gonna make 4 of them because 2 for her, 2 for him, for me. And if we get the answer wrong, we get slimed.
What?
We're gonna ask questions, and if you get it wrong, you get slime in your head. If you get it right, you don't get a slime in your head. So yeah, we're gonna make that and another video that we cannot tell you because
It's barely gonna come out.
yeah, it's barely gonna come out. We still don't do it, so
We're gonna, and now after that we're gonna be mix Miss Buxy. No, you know where's Miss Buxy? No.
So when she's tired of mixing,
I'm not tired.
when she's tired, no wait, I'm just saying. When she's tired of mixing, I'm gonna mix it, but I think it's almost ready. Look at this, guys. Wait, Katelyn, wait. Look at this, guys. I think it's almost ready. Stop mixing, stop mixing. Stop mixing. I think it's already ready. No, it's not, because everything needs to come out from this. It does not need to be juicy and all of that. So you still need to keep mixing, keep mixing. If you want, if it's yours more juicy, a lot of juicy, like ours, we're gonna put more glue. Right? Need to put more glue so it could stop being juicy and all of that. A little bit, not a lot. I think that's enough.
That's a lot.
If you put a lot, add a little bit of the salt thing, and that's it. There's like a snake in here.
They're not, right?
I know, but it feels like there's a snake hiding over there in the back.
It's easy to make it. It's easy to make that.
So, and in another video, we're gonna make splat balls.
Black balls of throwing to them in the hair.
No. You don't make that. We're gonna make splat balls. The splat balls, you just need slime and a balloon. That's it. Make slime, put it on the balloon. You could grab like the little rope things of to grab fishes. And that's how you make your splat ball, and it's gonna make like bubbles. If you want to get that, if you don't, it's okay. You don't need to get it. But I don't. Do you have balloons?
No.
Are you sure? Can you check?
No, I don't really have.
So that's it, guys.
It's ready.
No. Let me check. Let's check.
Wait.
Let me mix it. So my cousin got tired of mixing.
No, my sister. Actually.
So this is how the slime turns. You still need to keep mixing.
Look what happened to the ball.
What?
Subscribe and everything.
Oh, it's already.
It's our wall.
So, yeah, guys, it's still not ready. You need to keep mixing, guys. I'm sorry it takes long mixing.
Hi.
So please,
Subscribe.
wait. Bye, guys. Please subscribe, comment down below, and bye. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
And actually, we're just kidding. She's just my cousin, right? We're just kidding. Yes. Oh, this sticky, we could put one. No. Okay. Bye-bye.